Hello, I'm Bailey Burt. I'm going into my third year in the traditional BSN program at Nebraska Methodist College. I was born in Omaha, Nebraska, but grew up in Bellevue, Nebraska. It's right south of Omaha. Here I have pictured my two cats. The tortie on the left is Asuna or Tuna May, and the gray cat is Ruby. Asuna is 2 and Ruby is 1. To the right, I have a quote by Whitney Simmons. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Whitney Simmons is a leader that inspires me. She has a following on YouTube and Instagram, and she stresses living a healthy lifestyle. And she spreads awareness that healthy isn't always what you look like and how good you look, but how good you feel. And I really want to take the message that she spreads and inform my future patients that eating well and exercising isn't necessarily for what you look like, but just feeling good and overall being healthy and living a long, healthy life. Thank you. I'm excited to see where this or what this course teaches us.